Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello and welcome to Advanced Networks. I am Dr. Sara Hebal and I am delighted to welcome you to this course. Whether you are a computer science student preparing for your future career or simply interested in understanding modern communication technologies, this course will provide you with both the theoretical foundation and even practical networking skills needed in today's digital world. So, before we begin, let me briefly introduce myself. I am an assistant professor at UFAS1 University Farhat Abbas. I hold a PhD degree in computer science from the same university where I teach computer networking, computer science, and even conduct research in areas including computer networks and distributed systems, the Internet of Things, the applications of artificial intelligence in smart grids and optimization algorithms. So the first question is, why study computer networks? Computer networks are everywhere in nowadays. Every time you browse, for example, the internet, stream a movie, make an online payment, use cloud services, and even when you connect your smartphone to the internet, you are relying here on a complex networking technologies working behind the scene. These technologies are known by computer networks. So networks have become the backbone of our digital society, connecting billions of devices around the world. So understanding how these systems operate is an essential skill for every computer scientist and IT professional. Who should take this course? So this course is primarily designed for the third year computer science engineering students. However, it is also suitable for anyone interested in networking. While some basic knowledge of computing is helpful, don't worry, you don't need prior experience with advanced networking concepts. We will build your knowledge progressively throughout this course. The course is organized over 12 weeks, combining lectures, tutorials, and practical laboratory sessions using Cisco Packet Tracer. Your final grade will be based on continuous assessments together with a final examination. Now, to get the most from this course, you should already be familiar with the basic computer concepts, operating systems, specifically the use of command line interface, elementary mathematics such as the binary conversions, and an introductory networking principles. But don't worry, if some of these topics seems a little unfamiliar, we will briefly review the essential concepts before moving into more advanced material throughout the course. Now, the main objective of this course is to help you to understand how modern computer networks are designed, how they are configured, controlled, and maintained. By the end of this course, you will not only understand the underlying theory, but also you will be able to apply it to solve the practical networking problems. Now, what will you learn? Throughout this course, you will learn how communication networks operate using OSI and TCP/IP reference models. You will master IP or Internet Protocol version 4 and Internet Protocol version 6 addressing, subnetting techniques, and dynamic routing protocols such as RIP, OSPF, and BGP. We will also study transport protocols including TCP and UDP, explore quality of service mechanisms, discover wide area and mobile networking technologies, and develop practical configuration and troubleshooting skills using Cisco Packet Tracer. The course is organized into 6 progressive chapters. We begin with the fundamentals of computer networks, including network architectures, communication models, and basic router and switch configuration. Next, we study IP addressing, subnetting, and dynamic routing protocols. The third chapter focuses on transport protocols, including TCP and UDP. After that, we will explore quality of service techniques used to improve network performance. Then we will move to broadband wide area networking technologies, including optical networks and MPLS. Finally, we conclude with an introduction to mobile networks, covering the evolution from the GSM to modern cellular communication systems. Thank you for taking the time to discover this course. I hope you are as excited as I am to begin this learning journey. Together we will explore the technologies that makes modern communication possible and develop the knowledge and practical skills required in today's networking industry. So I look forward to see you in the course.